Na kabenta ki khobor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Going to begin. But then there are a lot of concern because some of our students, in fact quite a number, they have to appear in centers which are outside mainland, and some of them even to Nicobar and Andaman also.
Yes, true. So look, on this issue, our Honorable Chief Minister has taken up the matter at the highest level. Honorable Chief Minister had met Honorable Union Minister of Education, Government of India yesterday, and he apprised the issue, and like this can be delayed because exam is being listed tomorrow. The problem is NTA did not communicate to the state government because they directly communicate one day or 2 days before the exam schedule. So this is a problem. So exam start tomorrow. Some of the students has already left for the exam for a different location. So we can do anything on that. So but however, after the taking up the matter by Honorable Chief Minister in Delhi yesterday, so the NTA contacted the state government for identifying the more computer center, and we are on the job. So I think they will come for inspection the TCS Tata center. They are coming tomorrow or day after, and I think that process will take maybe 1 day or 2 days time. So after that, I think and we are also writing another letter by now only that to defer those students who are not immediate, that means by tomorrow or day after, so to defer the exam. So I think so let's see what outcome from tomorrow and day after, because the NTA, they have sending the team for inspection about the center that we have identified more.
What is the main reason that led to NTA allocating centers outside state, despite knowing the fact,
Correct.
and many students have only chosen the centers?
Yes. Look, the problem is, we don't want to blame, of course, but the problem is NTA did not communicate to the state government. So we don't know the problems. They only communicate directly to the students. We have identified the center already, but they should have informed the state government this is not enough, right? But they have to inform us that they have just allotted like this. So therefore, but since now, I'm sure, but those students which are going to have exam maybe after this week, I think definitely those exam will be different, and they will be relocated assured by the NTA, as assured by the NTA. So we are on the job.
So for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, no more.
Look for the tomorrow. Some students has already left. Those who are nearby. So we can. Otherwise, if we do so, again another confusion will arise. But for all those students outside the state, part like Port Blair, Zarkhan, and I'm here. I think those are allocated after 19, if I'm not wrong. The dates are 19. So, but for that, I think we can sort it out this weekdays. So, we're expecting for all the students who got allocation center in the different far location. I think that will be addressed.
So this is
That detailed record is not with us, and we also don't know the exact number of the detail. We also don't know, because look, the problem is NTA don't communicate to the state government. That is the main problem. NTA should appoint a full-fledged nodal officer in the state, and we will writing on that. So NTA should have informed the state government properly in time, so that we can take the necessary steps, so that our students will get face pop. But however, now after knowing this issue, Honorable Chief Minister is quick to react on that, and he even met Honorable Minister of Education, Government of India, and he expressed and dispatched the letter, and I think we are on the job. But we are working on the different alternative. Therefore, we have established a state university. Those colleges who will be affiliated with the state university, they don't need to undergo CUET entrance examination for the admission. That is another option. Number one, look, NTA, it's prerogative of the MTA, right? It's a agency. They have to conduct because it is the decision, right? So we can do anything on that, right?
But then colleges have not been affiliated to Williamson Sangma University.
No, some are applied, but the process is also going on, right? Because since many have already applied to apply to the studio, whether they take admission in the central university affiliated colleges or not, they will. I think it's after this. I mean, many of this. I mean, students already applied for the to face this examination. I think they are going ahead.
So last
No, but because NTA don't communicate to us, but the latest development is NTA has communicated with the state government to identify 200 computer more having all the facility. So we have identified those and we have identified the infrastructure and we have communicated to the NTA and they are coming tomorrow to inspect whether they fulfill the criteria or not.
sir,
That or the center, but it is clear those colleges affiliated to the central university, they have to undergo this examination. That's all, simple as simple, right? So therefore, we will request the institutions. Why should we face this kind of challenge again and again and again? So if they can affiliate to the state university, right? That is simple as simple. So
what is the latest development in the state university themselves?
we are ready. We are ready. We are
What
ready.
about the admission?
No, it is going on. Those who are on the process of appellation, they can start admission. It is not an issue. With the state university, we are ready in all respect.
So